Guruve district is gripped by fear following a disturbing wave of brutal killings that the residents say has turned daily life into a nightmare, with the families sleeping in terror and communities pushed to the edge while the state remains silent. Sabina Mashkobranji questions if Guruve is bleeding. Residents demand immediate state intervention as killings spread. To subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibula Namobranji Kamshinsi. Speaking as a resident with deep family roots in the area, one community member in Guruve said, uh, Guruve is under siege, not from war, but from unchecked violence that has left mothers murdered, children orphaned, and entire villages traumatized. In quotes, people are dying and nothing is being done, the residents said. This is not politics, this is about survival. According to residents, the killings have created an atmosphere of constant fear, with the people afraid to move at night and uncertain whether uh, they will see the next morning. They accuse authorities of failing in their most basic responsibility, protecting human life. Community voices are now calling for urgent and decisive government action, including the immediate deployment of the military and security forces, the enforcement of a dusk to dawn curfew, and the restoration of order to protect innocent lives. The primary duty of any government is to protect its people, the resident said. Power means nothing when citizens are dying. Anger is growing over what locals describe as a double standard in the use of state security forces. Residents pointed to the speed with which a ZANU PF-led government has previously deployed soldiers against unarmed civilians during protests in Harare, while failing to deploy the same resources to save lives in rural districts like Guruve. Are rural lives cheaper? Are our children expendable? The resident asked. Or does power matter more than people? The appeal is directed squarely at the country's leadership, including President Emmerson Mnangagwa, to act decisively before more lives are lost. We are not asking for politics, the statement reads. We are asking for protection. We are asking for life. As fear deepens and frustration mounts, residents say the message from Guruwe is clear and urgent. Enough is enough. Guruwe deserves peace. Guruwe deserves security. Tuzi mafunguro enye marukulipa msuru peno Guruwe e. Like my section menu, so subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.